Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is on my new Whirlpool French Door Fridge, and I'm going to show you how to replace the water filter in this unit. So this is a brand new fridge, so I'm going to start more from the beginning as well, and I'll show you how to replace the unit and what you need to do to reset it. And also you probably want to flush the water from the dispenser in the front of the fridge. I don't have a cup to show you that. This is a new fridge, so it comes with basically a filter already, but there's nothing in there. So there's a bypass in the unit. So where is this water filter, you ask? Well, it's definitely on the right side of the fridge, is on the top. So this is the filter I'm showing you right now. This very special filter. Of course, everyone seems to be unique. This one is very well wrapped. You can shrink wrap right now, and there's actually a little plastic, I don't know, you can see on the top of there, like an aluminum cap over there, has item number 4 over there. So I think all those numbers does mean something, and I'll post more details around the item. So taking this out wasn't easy. So first you gotta push this little notch over here and pull it towards you. That's what I found to open. Then this comes down. So initially it has the bypass, and as you will find out that it's a knob that you turn counterclockwise. It means opposite of the clockwise. Initially I had some trouble pulling it out too. I thought it was just a pull, but it's actually a twist. So I'm going to do it over here. See, it doesn't, clockwise doesn't move, counterclockwise doesn't move. Try really harder at it, then you have to push it down. So be careful with this unit. So turn it counterclockwise and it will come out. It's definitely not easy. There's a mention that you want to save this thing, so assuming, I guess, if you're not going to use the water filter, probably going to save that to another location. In our case, we're going to use the water filter, so we don't need that. We're going to put it away. So let's take the shrink wrap out of this thing. I have no idea why they make it so hard, but they do. So we have to remove the shrink wrap. All this wrapping. I'll post more information on the filter in the video. And this is how it looks inside. It's a blue notch, and you just screw it in like a clockwise. See, sorry about the video. My system's having problems looking at the fridge to film. So you twist it in. That's all you do. Then push it up. That's all you need to do. All right, and that's it. So let me circle back and show you that again, because I know it's kind of fast. So suppose you just replace it from the beginning. Pull it down here. There's no notch over there. That's not related, as I found out too. And just like a spring action, counterclockwise. See how I twist that? That's how it comes out. All right. To put it back is another challenge, I'd say, but it's very easy. So just push it in. Make sure it gets in contact with the circle over there, and push it up. There you go. Of course, there's a little mess. It would get water over some of the stuff. So you keep that in mind. Get maybe a towel or a cloth to clean that up. One more thing. If you change the filter, you want to reset. You're going to hold the filter reset for 3 seconds and it resets. Also, you want to run the water dispenser for maybe 3 to 4 cups, so you can clean out the water and from the filter, the carbon. So after that, then you can use it. Hope you liked the video today. Thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.